So Roman's decided that he wants to jump out of his cot at bedtime. Hello.
Hello.
And we didn't actually realise there's quite a lot now we have to do
To get it safe.
to get it safe in here, because when he was in his cot, he was just...
like, yeah, it was the cage basically.
I've got to take the sides off of the cot.
Yeah, so because this turns into cot bed, so we're just gonna take one side off, aren't we?
Yeah.
Put some trunking on the TV wire.
Yeah. We've got a new camera from Lollipop, so we're going to use that now, get rid of our old BT one. It's knackered. And this Lollipop one, I've seen it online, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, what goes on your phone as well, which is good.
Yeah.
This lovely company gave us some Bing bedding. Potentially Roman might be on the Bing website.
Yes.
So we're going to do that to sort of entice him to stay in his bed. Like, stay in bed and you can have some Bing bedding.
Yeah, it's a big boy
He
bed.
might be too young for that, but it's worth a try, right?
And then, because he's probably going to be roaming around his room lots, we're going to
put a stair gate, baby gate.
We're going to put a,
on here. We have got one literally here, but it means that he can get in the corridors, in the bedrooms.
Protectors for the wardrobes, so he can't get in and out of the wardrobes.
And this bed as well, because there's some, this is the Hemnes bed from IKEA. I'm sure many of you have got it. But he pulls the drawers out and uses them as a step to get onto the bed.
Yeah, let's go.
And
he's going to love this bedding though, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's an absolute Bing freak, isn't he?
Yes. Look at that pillow. His little bed. How adorable is that?
That's sad though, isn't it?
Oh.
Come in, Bing, let's go. Where's Bing? Oh.
Oh no! Oh!
Roman,
Panda,
look.
where's Bing?
Bing!
Bing!
Roman, wow. Oh.
Hoppity boosh!
Wow. Roman,
Whoosh!
do you love it?